Alrighty, so quick overview of the conveyor system here. We have the synchronizing conveyor. It has two independent belts, one for the female and one for the male, and it'll make sure that they both stop at the same position before being transferred to this. This is the loading conveyor. As you can see, it slides back and forth, and it has a belt as well, which will be for loading into the picker, which is this assembly right here. So I'm gonna power it up so you can see. So you can see it homes, and it doesn't matter when we put the male and when we put the female. The sensors will make sure that they are both in position before transferring. Okay, you can see number 3, and then oops, wrong side, number 4, and then it'll take it to this picking mechanism where it'll be loaded into the cups. So that's all for tonight.